friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking delicata squash in the air fryer. So what we need is delicata squash. It's been washed before making this video, and seasonings. I'll just use salt and pepper. You can use any seasonings you like. And I'm going to use olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, or you can leave it out if you'd rather not use oil. So delicata squash has a very thin edible skin, so there's no need to peel it. So I'm just going to cut it into slices. So I'll cut off the end. And now I'll cut the squash in half. And I will scoop out the seeds. So just use a spoon to scoop them out. And now I'll throw out the seeds. So now I'm going to cut the squash into pieces. And now you can sprinkle the squash pieces with seasonings. So there is my pepper and salt. And I'll drizzle it with olive oil. And now please toss it so it's coated with oil and seasonings. So now once squash is prepared, I'll take out the air fryer basket and put the squash pieces in the air fryer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's toss the squash pieces so they cook more evenly. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this roasted delicata squash. It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. So they're perfectly cooked. Let me just show you. See, they're soft. And the skin is soft. It's totally edible. And now let's try it. It's delicious. So soft, perfectly roasted in the air fryer. It's naturally sweet. You're going to love delicata squash. For a free printable recipe, and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!